Okay, so what we got here is a VW Golf 2016 R-Line, and what we've done is we've installed the Cobra Cat2 touch and approved immobilizer system. So it's an insurance approved system, so you need these tags to be able to drive the vehicle. If you do not have the tags with you, and disable the system, as you can see the red light flashing, the vehicle will not turn on, so it is fully immobilized. So what you do, using the tags, you disarm the system, and as you can see the red light is not flashing anymore. And now when you're going to try and start the vehicle, turns on as normal. So this is the Cobra Cat2 insurance approved immobilizer system with touch ID tags. If you want this installed on your vehicle, see the link down below, or if you want to inquire about the price, contact us. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.